to me. We started liming, in our timing. We make separate plans, but we plans keep aligning. And it was plain to see.
She wants some. She needs some. She wants it. What's good YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Yes, I'm telling the people. Right now we have Afrobeats. Afrobeats. And I think you guys thought you would never see that in the title, right? Nope, you're seeing it now. We're telling you we do everything. So right now, let's see what's going on for this song. It's called Attractions by Kiegs. I'm not gonna spoil his name. Everything, all information, all the social media platforms for the artist, so you can find the artist is gonna be in the description down below of this video. You can go check it out for yourself, and y'all know what to do now, people. Tear up the like button, subscribe to the channel, drop the fire emoji, them comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. And I'll post every single day. You understand me? Now this song is called Attractions. I hope I see some beautiful females in there, if not a beautiful female. And let's see what's going on for the storyline. We all know Afrobeats is a little vibe. It's chill. You understand me? Not as, how could I say? You know, the dancehall and the what old people would call Bogo Yaga. You know what I mean? That's what old people call dancehall, Bogo Yaga. Basically, my grandparents say Bogo Yaga Yaga. You see me? I say, but we're not even talking about that different. We're going to see what's going on for this right now, people. Let's have a vibe over here. We're chilling. Let's go. Okay. We like watching movies, you know. Attractions. She's in some heels.
Oh, no. She wanna get me.
Oh, Lord.
I think she gonna get me.
I think so, too.
She said to me, I'll show you a thing or two.
Yeah.
Kinda things make your dreams come true. She said to me,
yeah, what if I pull up a tune? That's how we like when the Afrobeats together. That's how it start. What if I pull up a tune? That's the little start. The Afrobeats, the instrumental, the instruments that they use. Let go.
She wanna get me. I think she gonna get me.
Yeah.
She said to me,
see that?
I'll show you a thing or two. Kinda things make your dreams come true. She said to me, it don't matter how you try to hide it. I could see you want me to. She said to me, boy, I know I've been on your mind.
Oh yeah.
She said to me, we both know I'm gonna get you.
We both know I'm gonna get you. It's just a matter of time.
It's just a matter of time.
She said that.
And now I had to find an answer. I had to find a door.
Okay.
I had to find me, I escape her out. Cause I did for sure.
Yeah.
This girl have a hold on me.
Yeah.
And I can't get away.
I play football and thing.
It's too late. She tells me that she loves me.
Oh Lord, you're playing football, you scored a goal and there she goes. She's distracting you. I like the concept already. I'm really gonna meet in the video. Let's go. She said to me, hey,
it's all a lie.
the Afrobeats.
I gotta open up my eyes.
Oh, pause. I need to mention. Wait, pause. For all the Trinidadians watching right now, he is from Trinidad. But it's Afrobeats. Now let's go.
Let it show through her disguise. Let me tell you a story then. She had me feeling this feeling. My heart leaves my chest and it reached to the ceiling. She feels so real and she's so appealing. She's got me hooked and now she's reeling me in to an obsession leading to passion.
Yeah.
And her intentions are hidden by her actions. I'm now an entity of this complexity, and all she really wants to do is just get next to me. We started liming, in our timing. We make separate plans, but we plans keep aligning. And it was plain to see.
She wants some. She needs some. She wants it. We have to jump out a character for a minute. She need it. Well, let's go. That's the kind of lady that's like though. She push it out. She do the things that one man wouldn't do. You did me. Afrobeat.
feeling me because she started fulfilling my fantasies. Main attraction in any session, wind down to we knees like we making confession. Boss a slogan, she always look fine. And anyway we go, we always have a nice time. But I gotta find an answer. Yeah, I gotta find a door.
What me tell you, sir?
Find me, I escape around.
What me tell you, sir?
This girl have a hold on me.
What?
And I can't get away.
I want the jungle bongo.
It's too late.
She said to me
that she loves me.
Yeah.
I know it's all a lie.
It must be a
I
lie.
gotta open up my eyes. Let it show through her disguise.
Hey, but now I like blow Afrobeats there, don't stop. Blow Afrobeats though. Yo, send me some more Afrobeats there.
It's all a lie.
It's a vibe.
Open up my eyes. Let it show through her disguise.
Hey.
Got to see what's behind that smile.
Where she has sneak out?
I think she gonna get me.
Where she has sneak out?
She wanna get me though.
Where you
I think she
tip
gonna
to?
get me. Yeah. She wanna get me though. I think
Where
she
she
wanna
sneaking
get
out
me.
though?
She wanna get me though. But when she comes my way, I try to shy away.
What's going on? Hold on, pause. No, where would she sneak out? And that was his phone, that's not her phone. What did she say to me? Let's go.
The thing she say and the game she play, well I don't know what to do. She wanna get me though. I think she gonna get me. She said to me,
Oh, she played the
I'll show
game.
you a thing
No. Don't do that to me. I thought she just left his ass. Don't do that to me. I thought she sneaked out of bed and went back home to her husband or something. Well, she went downstairs and made him a cup of tea. Aww. You little bad freak. Anyways, guys, what y'all think of these reactions? Some more Afrobeats? You want some more Afrobeats? I love the storyline in this. I love the concept. I love the song to people. So I wanted to go check out the artist. You see me, I say everything to his all social media, everything for him. Down below in the description. YouTube channel, Instagram, all over the place. Go check him out, make him know the reaction boss sending it over there. So go and go watch the video for yourself again and make him know some fire emoji over there. Reaction boss says, let me say, run out. Peace out.